Alright guys, we are all done. We got all 19 driveways done. I know I showed you guys a lot of footage at the beginning and not so much in the middle and the end, but I just wanted to get them done as quickly as I could, really, because who wants to be at it forever? And plus, people don't like waiting either. That's one thing with snow that I don't really particularly like, is when the last flake is done, everybody wants their driveway just magically to be done right after it stops snowing, and obviously I can't do that. So I mean, if I had 5 driveways, that'd be different. I'd just go bang them out real quick, be nothing. So that's sort of a little frustration, and that's why I don't have as many driveways as I have lawns, because I could never do it. There's absolutely no way. So just some reasoning behind why I only have the number that I do. And also, I'm not gonna ever put a plow on my truck because, number one, I mean, you can't even hardly, a residential driveway, you could pull up and back drag the whole thing, but, or get one of those back dragging plows. I know you guys are, some of you guys might be into them, but even if you get one of them, it's still, it's not that practical, really, if there's any number of cars. And where I'm at, about, I would say 70% of the driveways have cars in them, so you might as well, you're just easier with a snowblower. So that's some of the reasoning behind what I do. So now that I'm all done, I'm gonna hose each snowblower off. I have actually never done this before, but I was reading, since I got that Honda paddle, I was reading in the owner's manual. Plug, read the owner's manual, guys. I know you'd be like, oh shit, toss this, but no, guys, seriously, read the owner's manual. There's always this little bit of information that you don't know that's in there. I know that most of it is just warnings and other things and basic maintenance, which you already all know, but read the owner's manual. There's always that little bit, and in there it said you should rinse out especially the inside, and I didn't even think about that. But yeah, we're dealing with salty snow at the ends of driveways and stuff. You don't want that sitting on equipment for over the course, probably for me, over the course of the whole summer, because I mean, it's almost April. I don't think we're going to be getting any more snow. So, all right, let's get to rinsing. Just gonna say that whenever I get something wet like that, I always want to run it just to dry off the engine and whatnot, but I actually just remembered that this one ran out of gas and I never put anything in it, and I don't think I'm going to, because I like to store snowblowers. There's just something about them. I know you can put Sta-Bil in the gas and be okay, but I just like them to be empty, and that way I just put gas in it and it literally starts right up. So I think I'm just gonna leave it like that, but the others I'll start. So all right, let's keep going. Unfortunately, the Toro does not have a fuel shutoff valve. I definitely wish that it did. Same way with the Yard Machines by MTD. Definitely, I mean, I could easily put it on that one, but it's also easy just to unhook the gas line off of the big one and just drain it out of the tank and then run it dry. I mean, that's not that hard. But the paddle ones here, that's a little bit harder to get to the gas tank. So definitely digging the fuel shutoff on the Honda for sure. So. Alright guys, that's gonna wrap it up for this one. Thanks so much for watching, and leave me a comment down below if you guys do snow removal. I'd like to hear if you do residential or commercial or both, and what equipment you guys use. So leave me a comment down below. And a little teaser here, I'm also expecting a package today, and I'm not going to tell you anything about it other than it has something to do with the trailer. So stay tuned. I am going to, hopefully once the snow melts, be doing my 2018 setup video, so for sure stay tuned for that. But then also this package has something to do with the trailer, and I'm definitely stoked about it, so stay tuned for that as well. Alright guys, once again, thanks so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great day.